Welcome to our channel. If you need to challenge a federal agency decision through administrative appeals, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate this complex process. Step 1. Review your decision letter carefully to understand the specific findings and the legal basis for the agency's decision. Note any appeal deadlines, which are strictly enforced. Step 2. Determine the appropriate appeal process for the specific agency. Different federal agencies have different appeal procedures outlined in their regulations and on their websites. Step 3. File your notice of appeal within the deadline specified in your decision letter, typically 30, 60, or 90 days. Missing this deadline usually means you lose your right to appeal. Step 4. Obtain the administrative record, which includes all documents the agency considered when making its decision. You're entitled to review these materials. Step 5. Identify the specific errors in the agency's decision, whether they are factual errors, legal errors, or procedural violations. Your appeal should clearly articulate these issues. Step 6. Draft your appeal brief following the agency's format requirements. Include a statement of facts, legal arguments, citations to relevant laws and regulations, and a clear request for relief. Step 7. Submit supporting evidence that wasn't considered in the initial decision if the appeal process allows new evidence. Some appeals are limited to the existing record. Step 8. Attend any scheduled hearings or oral arguments if offered. Prepare thoroughly, organize your arguments clearly, and be ready to answer questions from the administrative law judge or appeals panel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.